From major market trends to local updates, this is the financial news you can trust. Brought to you by CIBfx.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Let's hear from our trading room to tell us more about the most recent developments.
US consumer prices increased by the most in 5 months in June amid higher costs for some goods, suggesting tariffs were starting to have an impact on inflation and potentially keeping the Federal Reserve on the sidelines until September. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with $11.5 trillion in assets under management, reported a massive increase in cryptocurrency fund inflows in the second quarter of 2025. Q2 inflows into its crypto iShares ETFs surged 366% to $14 billion, up from $3 billion in the previous quarter. MSCI's Global Equities Index slipped after touching a record high, while US Treasury yields hit their highest in more than a month, as investors digested a slight rise in US inflation and moderately positive quarterly results from big banks. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Tesla shares fell 1.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The US capacity utilization will be released at 13:15 GMT. The UK's retail price index at 6 GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 6 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change will be released at 14:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.